Okay, hello, yeah. My name is Nick Dutch, and I want to talk today about the nature of truth. The reason that I have been stimulated to do this video is because I've received yet another delightful YouTube video. I'm not going to tell you the login name or the personal name of this one particular person who sent me this particular email. I think that will be counterproductive, both for him, for everyone. The words to this email are: wake up. God is real. He was found using scientific experiments. And he then included in his email 2 links to articles about some scientific experiments based upon quantum science. Now, they were very interesting experiments. Yes, I have read that kind of stuff before. I know the theories. I've seen numerous quantum science experiments detailed both in videos on YouTube as well as in text on the internet, as well as stuff that I've researched in libraries, and I'm quite aware that under some strange circumstances electrons, particles, and consciousness, observation, all these things seem to have an influence on certain aspects of the universe. But that's as far as it goes. Real scientists do not state that anything is 100% proven, because science is, the word science is a noun that stands for the methodologies of investigation into nature in order to try and find out what is or seems to be most likely to be true under certain specific circumstances. Science does not state anything is fact at all, and cannot. So, if I was to do an experiment on water to see what temperature it boiled at, I might think, hey, look, I've experimented, I've found out water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. But if the conditions were changed, such as air pressure, air temperature, impurities in the water, I would get different results. Therefore, the statement that water boils at 100 degrees Celsius is just as unintelligent as saying God is real, he was found using scientific experiments. With that particular statement that I've read on that email, the word God being a soundbite, which means different things to different people, okay, has not been defined in this particular context. So the word could just have been X. Then he was found. There have been people trying to find God for centuries, and in my estimation none of them have succeeded, or if they've come, well, they might have come a little closer, but for the most part they've fallen prey to delusion. So the statement God is real is a soundbite. We can get rid of that. It's irrelevant. We can say something is real. We can say something seems to be true under some circumstances. We cannot say God is real. That is proof that the person who's written those words is stupid, mad, and lying to themselves because they've developed a belief. Now we go on to the next part. He was found. What do you mean by he? The experiments that you're talking about is not talking about a male being. It is not talking about a being. It's only very loosely referring to consciousness. So you can't say he. And as you can't say what it is you're talking about that was found, you can't say he was found. And then using scientific experiments, no. There has been an investigation into nature, alright? To try and find out something else about the universe. Something that might be true under some circumstances, but we don't yet know. That's what's been done. So, yes, a scientific experiment has been done. We would have to look more closely at the methodology, the tools of analysis, the tools of measurement, the theories that go into the experiment prior to the experiment's execution, the ability of the scientist to be able to generate results, the ability of the statisticians to be able to analyze the results, and then finally the conclusions that have been come to, which are the statements of what seems to be true under some circumstances that they have made, and under what circumstances they feel this particular force, or whatever, seems to manifest itself. Now, I'm not talking to you from the point of view of a scientist. I have studied the natural sciences, sociology, psychology, neuroscience. I'm a part qualified accountant. I've studied many things. I've worked in insolvency, solar energy, you name it. Alright? I have a diverse background. But one thing I can do is I can think. And I can think pretty well about the words that I'm using and the meanings that are coming out of my mouth. As a rational individual, as a thinking individual, there is no proof of the existence of God. There are some things which seem to demonstrate that under some circumstances something might be true. However, this still needs further research, better analysis, and then to work out what is useful as a result of the conclusions which have been drawn to by the scientists. Just think about it. I am an occultist, I am a tarot reader, I am a practitioner of ritual magic. That does not mean to say I am with the fairies, okay? Use your brain. Challenge everything. Nothing is an absolute truth at all. And try and find out, through thought, what is most likely to be real, and more importantly, for you, what is most likely to be usable or useful in your life. But don't send me stupid emails full of sound bites and with no definitions of the words you're using. Catch you later. I'm going to go away for a few days abroad. Wish me luck. So I won't be video blogging for probably about a week and a bit. But I'll speak to you guys again soon. Nick Dutch signing out.